Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to achieve straight hair to last through humidity, summer hotness, frizziness, and all that. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I straighten my hair, what products I use to maintain my hair silky and straight. If you guys want to see how I achieve my straight silky hair for the summertime, just keep on watching. Alright, so I have my hair up because I wanted to put it up for the video. I know you guys can probably like tell my hair looks straight already, but this has no product, no heat, nothing at all. So my hair, a little bit of history behind my hair. I do have the Brazilian blowout, so it does help to eliminate frizz. I didn't share with you guys the products that I use when I'm about to straighten my hair, and what products I like to use to help keep my hair nice and frizz free and silky and straight for this summer heat. Alright, so to begin with, when I get out of the shower, the first thing I like to do is spray my It's a 10 Miracle Treatment spray. And it's really great to help like lock in like everything you did in the shower, like your shampoo, conditioner. It helps it to comb through it easier. It doesn't get as tangly, and it's just an amazing leave-in product. I absolutely love this. The next thing I like to do, especially if I'm going to blow dry my hair, is going with my Kenra blow dry spray. And you guys, I'm obsessed with this stuff. This stuff is amazing. It's like magic in a bottle. This is a lightweight thermal protectant, and it's also good to help with blow drying the hair faster. It smells really, really good. Oh my god, it smells so amazing. I love this. Not only is it going to protect your hair from the blow dryer, from the heat, it's actually going to help it blow dry it faster, and it's going to give it the resistance for humidity. So these are all key products to use if you want your hair to stay nice and straight without frizzy, like through the humidity and through the hotness. This is for like once I am like getting ready to straighten my hair. I love to use my Way Memory Mist, and this product has changed my hair straightening routine for good. It's supposed to be, so this memory mist is supposed to memorize the way that you style your hair. So even if you do it straight, or you do it curly, or you do it wavy, you spray this and it's gonna remember the way that the hair is styled to last that much longer. So I like to take this. It's also a heat protectant, so that's why I absolutely love this. It's important to use products that have heat protectant, so that way when you go in with your hair straightener, your hair doesn't get as damaged. This I love to use when I separate my hair. I will show you guys how I do it, but I love to use this when I straighten my hair as well. The other product I like to use when I'm like, I don't really want my hair straight and I don't really want my hair curly, I just kind of want like that in between, want it to have some texture. I like to use my Way texturizing. This is the texturizing hairspray, and I love this. I got this in the little travel size version because I just didn't know how I was gonna like it, but I actually really do love it. And the way they describe it is like a dry shampoo and hairspray had a baby, and so this is like the ultra lightweight version of a hairspray that builds incredible volume and texture. So this is gonna help like if you have hair that's really you know, just no volume, no life, definitely pick this up and try it out to help your hair with volume and texture. And yeah, it really makes a huge difference. Like once my hair is straightened, once my hair is blow dried, once it's styled and everything, I like to go in with my Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss, and this is like a finishing gloss for the hair. This is gonna help give it a shine, and it's gonna look healthy, shiny, glowy. It's gonna look like you just cut your hair, blow dried it, and colored it, because it looks so beautiful. This product you can apply before or after. It says that you can apply it before to get like the most optimum shine result. So if you use this and then your straightener over it, it's gonna just shine even more. So I'm gonna try it like both ways so you guys can see like if it makes a difference. But usually what I do is I just take this right after I'm done straightening my hair, take it and just use it at the bottom of my hair, because I do have an oily scalp. So I like to take all kind of like silkening glosses, hair oils, anything like that, just at the bottom part, because my hair is a little bit oily already as it is on its own. The straightener I use is the Remington straightener. It's just purple, and I've had this for a really long time. The one I had before, I had it for like 3 or 4 years, and it went bad on me, but I just loved it so much that I just re-picked it up because I love it, and it's really inexpensive too. I'm just gonna divide my hair, and what I like to do is I like to just divide it into 2. So I just divide it into 2 sides, and for me it's just easier to do it this way than to just divide it sectionally like that way. So what I do is I just take this piece, I just leave it here, and then this side, this is the part that I like to divide. So I will take my brush and brush my hair out first. Then I will take my hands and just divide my hair like so. So once I do this, then I take my memory mist and I spray all the parts that I'm going to go ahead and straighten. I just kind of let it air dry a bit, brush it again, and then take my straightener. So the first time around, I like to just take piece by piece within this section and just straighten, slowly bringing the hair down, and I like to just curve it in at the end. The trick I like to do, especially because the hair can get really hot, I like to just take the piece that I'm going to straighten and then with my brush help it guide it to the bottom, and it allows me to get more control of my hair. That way my fingers don't get burnt either.
Hey guys!
You silly boy.
Hey guys, welcome back to Regina.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done with the hair. I always like to go in after it's pretty much straightened and go over everything like in my bulk, just to make sure everything gets nice and even, and always brush it out right after I straighten it. The last thing is to use my Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss, and I'm gonna just take a tiny bit of this right in my finger. As you guys can tell, the smallest amount is sufficient because this stuff is really shiny and it smells really good. So I like to rub it in my hands first and then take it and apply it, like I told you guys, to just the bottom end of my hair. There you guys have it. Hair super straight, it's super shiny. So if you guys thought this video was helpful at all and you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up before you leave my channel. Also, I will make sure I have all the products I mentioned down below so you guys can check them out for yourselves, so I can start changing your hair routine for this hot summer. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave my channel. Thank you guys, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye guys.